Hello friends, I'm Tressa. Come with me and bite into summer. Today I will take you to the Bite of Seattle. It's a fun weekend event. Every year for the past 36 years in July, you have 3 full days of the best food, showcased by over 60 local restaurants, cold beer from over 25 brewing companies, and entertainment from over 80 bands, going on nonstop on 3 stages.
Put it down, turn around, baby, it's a new day.
To get to the Seattle Center, I found the best way to get there and have the most fun is to take the 56-year-old monorail. The monorail was built during the World's Fair in 1962, and it was a way to show people what the transportation would be like in the future.
It's hard to believe they even had anything like this 55 years ago.
And when you get on the monorail, it's so fun to look at back then what the state of the art would be. It's elevated above all the Seattle streets, and it's riding on concrete rails about 70 miles per hour. It's electric power, and the ride's only about a mile, but it's fun. You go between the Westlake Center and the Space Needle. The Westlake Center Station is located between 3rd and 6th Avenue. It's totally underground. It's by the main shopping area. You'll see Nordstrom's and Macy's there. This is the main hub of Seattle, where the buses, the light rail, and the Link come in. We prefer to take the Link light rail into the city. However, you can take the bus. The main thing is to get to the Westlake Center Station. That way you can save on parking, the traffic. It's a lot more convenient and fast. It looks like the city hired some artists to paint interesting murals on some of the old industrial buildings in the city. It's a lot better view now than it was before. When you arrive at the Westlake Center Station, you'll find that you'll go through a 1.3-mile underground tunnel, which is just under the hub of the best Seattle shopping area. It's shared by buses and the Link light rail. This is a Space Needle, and it was built back in the 1960s for the World's Fair. They've just recently renovated it, and now you can go up to the restaurant, and it circles all the way around with a glass floor, so you can see out and see across the city, and the water is absolutely beautiful up there. Today we're going to the Bite of Seattle. Wow, when you get here, you'll be surprised how many people are here. You actually feel like you're a part of something. They say there's about 400,000 people that attend this over 3 days. It's a major event for all the restaurants to showcase their best recipes. What's really cool is you can buy a bite size and you can sample as much as you want. Or if you really like something, you can just get a regular size plate. I saw every culture, every ethnicity, every style imaginable of food. We saw some free stuff here and there. Surprisingly, people will wait a long line to get something. And it's just a paper fan. Albert Lee Appliances is this year's sponsor. Wow, what a nice fishing boat. Talking about for free samples, they even are giving away free samples for dogs.
All kinds of good stuff.
Ice treats for dogs.
All day, get out.
This dog loves it. Look at him, look it up. Must have some kind of meat flavor or something in it. I wonder what's in it. He sure likes it. Here at the Seattle Center is the International Fountain. It was originally built in 1961, completely redone in 1995. It's a great place for families to bring their kids. They can run and cool off. Here during the festival, that's exactly what everybody's doing. They're cooling off. This water is filtered 3 times, so it's perfectly clean. With concerts going on 3 different stages at once, you're sure to find the music that you like the best.
Someone, somewhere, has vanquished that very same dragon. Someone, somewhere,
You can sit down and relax and enjoy the music.
Baby, you'll be just fine. You built all those cages that keep you confined in your mind. Put it down, turn around, baby, it's a new day. Turn your back on the fight, you'll be able to walk away.
After a long day and a few cold beers, it's time to go home. Check it out. I think I tired him out.